違う。動画だよ。乾杯。
Yeah, this is fruit. Yeah, this is cranberry. Cranberry fruit, you know.
Okay.
You know,
I know.
Fruit
My
puffs,
favorite.
yeah.
My favorite.
This is cranberry, yeah.
乾杯。No?
This is we don't do our culture.
Oh really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, really?
We don't do yeah. This is
じゃあ、
no
ちょっと
good.
だけ。
じゃあこんな感じで。
Because I don't drink alcohol. We don't do. When they do drink alcohol, they do. Our people not
Turkish
do.
people.
Some will do, not me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
めっちゃうまいこれ。
We say like afraid also like good is like good for you like this. We talk like this, you know. We don't do like this, yeah. This is good, no?
やばいな。
いや、really fruity. Fruity.
You know cranberry, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know
This
cranberry.
is cranberry. This is really cranberry. No mix anything inside.
なんかアセロラジュース。
You want drink more?
Yeah.
I make one more, don't worry. You drink, I do one more. I will do one more, okay?
Ah. Shit.
What happened?
Yeah, it's good. So good.
Let me take
Maybe I'm
this.
gonna be hungover
You
tomorrow.
gotta take this one. You wanna drink that one?
Oh yes please.
Drink, this is because energy, not for you. Brother, give me that plate. Let me move everything.
Yummy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome, brother. Yeah.
お残しあげる。
Thank you.
You're welcome.
これマジですね。あ、美味しい、本当にこれ。
Let me finish my food. This is you can warm and then eat tomorrow. And then put some salt.
これ。何これ。
ピジョン。
Let me eat this one. I make one more cranberry, okay? And then eat the ice cream.
ああ。最高。
Oh, pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon?
Pigeon.
It's okay.
Pigeon? You
Yes.
call pigeon?
Yeah, that's.
We call Mısır. Mısır.
Mrs.
Turkish, yeah, Mısır, yeah.
これ日本でピジョンって呼ぶと思ってるよ。
No, no, no.
This one is very delicious, you know.
This one to Mısır.
Mısır, yeah, we call it Mısır.
For Mısır. For pigeon. Bird. Your brother. Your friend.
You know the Japan, they call the pigeon?
Your friend. Bird.
You know in the Turkey they call the Mısır.
Oh, Mısır.
You see, these are Mısır.
Mısır.
Mısır, yeah. Popcorn, you know? Corn. Corn, Turkish, Mısır.
Mısır.
Yeah.
Oh. Mısır.
Okay, brother. You wanna what this is? You want to what? You wanna eat today or tomorrow? Tomorrow, right? You wanna try this one?
Just plastic bag.
We're gonna use this one.
Yeah.
You make one, and then tomorrow you open, you eat. Let me do one more. This is okay?
Yes.
これこれ。
危ないからな。
I'll use this one, right?
酒が美味しいな。
酒飲みたいな。いいよ、これ。
I'm so tired. I have to go to sleep.
How did you make?
this from crumble.
Yeah.
You have to separate the water, okay? And then, you know, only like move, separate, make filter, and then it's gonna become like this. And some sugar maybe inside, because if you're doing too much, this is good.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna give chocolate.
No chocolate. Oh, chocolate.
Yeah.
Two.
Thank you.
Two is only 1 pound.
Yeah.
Let me get.
なんかワインやったら面白かった。
なんかビデオ回してた。
ビデオ回しとったのに。
あ、今回ってる。
Chocolate good for heart.
Yeah.
It's healthy. This one ice cream we gotta cut, mix, and then you eat because this is temperature go down, melt again freezing. You know, we have to mix it. Yeah.
なんでビッグする？
We gotta use the spoon or something.
トルコアイス。
これ書いてある。ああ。ソーキー？ソーキーアイス？
You make ice cream.
そういうことで。
Thank you.
俺の話聞きたいと思います。
This is no alcohol, only fruit. Like orange juice. You know, this is cranberry juice. There is vitamin C. Rich vitamin C. This is also good for blood.
酒っぽくなりますか。
ショットかい。
Sour, right? Like lemon. But this is good. Vitamin C good. Vitamin C, there is vitamin. If you drink this, you are not gonna be cold. You are not gonna like this. Virus not coming. Winter time I drink 1 gallon like this. Every day 1 like this. I'm not get any cold. No sick.
トルコ人と結婚しようか。買ってやるよ。
何年前だよ。
More I couldn't hear you, sure.
なんか、したいけど。油下聞いてこっか。
What this is? Make ready for tomorrow.
でもストリートの名前ないやん。
Tell me your home address. Your home address.
Here?
Yes.
Brother Milestone. 533.
マディソン
I will find you. Milestone.
マイルソン。
Milestone.
マディソン。
533.
勇気に。
トロントって言ってほしい。
Teşekkür Süleyman Gündoğan.
あ、動画まだ撮ってた。